morning, students. Today we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 14, Unity in Diversity. Chapter number 14, Unity in Diversity, Standard 6, SS, and today it is the first lecture. My dear student, when we read the title, Unity in Diversity, the title itself says many things. Unity means oneness, ekta, and diversity means we are different. Though we are different, still we are one. Remember, unity in diversity means different. Though we are different in many ways. We are different in many ways, still we are one. We are showing our love towards our country. Now when we consider about diversity, we have diversity in many fields. Here I have written diversity in religion, diversity in language, diversity in festivals, diversity in dances. Okay, so we are from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, we know we have many states, union territories, and my dear student, many states they have different languages, different dances, and main festivals also. Okay, now take the example. This is the time of Navratri. This is the time of Navratri. Okay, due to some reason we are not celebrating Navratri in a grand way. But for Navratri, it is worldwide famous, my dear student. And people from abroad, from Europe and America, they come to India, especially in Gujarat, to play Ras Garba. Now, take the example. This is the main important. Okay. So here in this chapter, we are going to learn about though we are different in many ways, still we are one. And my dear student, when take the example, recently something happened on border, and we showed our love towards our country, and we are fighting against some other countries. Okay, we are not going on border. We are not going on border, but by supporting the government, we are fighting with other countries. It means we are showing our love towards country. Now take the example. First thing here, religion. Okay, we are different. Many people. Okay, people following different religions. People following different religions staying in India. Okay, majority that is Hinduism. Okay, more than 80% people, they follow Hinduism, but still many religions are there. They are followed by Indian people. Here I have written. Okay, which are the major religions? Okay, which are the religions followed in India? Okay, Hinduism. Okay, then Islamism means Muslim people. Okay, Muslim people. Then Christianity means Christian. Okay, who is the founder? Jesus Christ. Okay, then Sikhism. Okay, then Buddhism, Zoroastrianism, Judaism, Jainism. So people following different religions. People following different religions. They are staying in India. Okay, my dear student, their festivals are different. Okay, their festivals are different. When we consider about Hinduism, we know the Hindu people, they celebrate Diwali, Holi, Ganesh Chaturthi, Janmashtami, Shivratri, like that. So these are the major festivals: Diwali, Holi, Janmashtami, Shivratri, Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, these are the main festivals of Hinduism. Now, when we consider about Islam. Okay, here I have written Diwali, Holi. Okay, I have written only two, but many festivals are there. Second one is Islam. Okay, people they follow Islam religion, means the Muslim people. Okay, so their main festivals are Muharram, Eid. Okay, Muharram, Eid. They are their main festival. I have written here only one Eid. Okay, there are three Eid. There are three Eid. Okay, but those who know more about Muslimism, okay, they know. Okay, third one is Christianity. Third one is Christianity. Christian people they follow, they are the follower of Christ. Our main festivals are Christmas, then Easter, Good Friday. I have written only one, Christmas. Okay. Then third one is Sikhism. Sikhism. Okay. That is I have written here Baisakhi. Baisakhi their main festival. Okay. Then Buddhism. Buddhism that is Buddha Jayanti, Buddha Purnima. Okay, that is there that we are learning. Okay, in this semester we are learning about Buddhism and Jainism also. Then Zoroastrianism, Judaism, Jainism. Jainism I have written here Mahavir Jayanti. Okay, so people following different religions and their festivals I have written here. Okay, which are the major festivals. And my dear student, whether it is Diwali, Holi, Christmas or Eid, whatever festivals are there, people of India together they follow, they celebrate. They don't consider that I am belong to so and so religion. Here religion, caste, language comes as a second. First we are an Indian. Okay, we are an Indian. So here I have written religion, which are the, if I ask a question, which are the major religions followed in India, so you have to write down. Okay, Hinduism, Islamism, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Zoroastrianism, Judaism and Jainism. So people following this religion live in India. If I say which are the major festivals, which are the major festivals celebrated in India, so I have written here, I have written very few, but still you can add more. Okay, here I would like to add some other festivals. That three festivals are there. Three festivals are there. They are considered as a national festival. Okay, that is 15th August, 26th January and 2nd October. Okay, these three are considered as a national festival. Why they are called national festival? Because 15th August 1947 we became independent. That's why we are celebrating Independence Day. 26th January we are celebrating as a Republic Day, because on that day our constitution came into force. And 2nd October we celebrate as a national festival, because this is the birth date of the nation of the father of India, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay, so it's 2nd October means Gandhi Jayanti. So these are three considered as a national festival. If I ask a question in the examination, which are the national festivals celebrated in India, you have to write down only these three. Okay, you have to write down only these three. But if I say which are the major religions, and then write down major religions and their festival, so you have to write down these and these both. Okay, got it? Next we have diversity. We have diversity in languages also. Okay, my dear student, in each and every state, we have different languages. Now take the example in Gujarat. In Gujarat we speak Gujarati. In Maharashtra, the people of Maharashtra they speak Marathi. Okay, in Karnataka the people they speak Kannada. When we go in Kerala, they speak in Kerala Malayalam. When we go in Tamil Nadu, Tamil. Okay, when we go in Andhra Pradesh, Telugu. So here different languages. Okay, I have written now Hindi. Hindi is considered as a national language. Hindi is considered as a national language. Okay, English is spoken, but it is not one particular language of any state. English is not a particular language of any state, but we speak. Okay, so the people they speak different languages. Which are the languages? Hindi, English, Gujarati means people of Gujarat. Okay, Gujarati, Bengali in West Bengal, Marathi in Maharashtra, Punjabi in Punjab, Tamil in Tamil Nadu, Telugu means Andhra Pradesh, Kannada means Karnataka, Malayalam means Kerala, Odia means Orissa, and the Konkani means Goa. So speaking different languages in different states. Okay, so here though we are from different states, our language is different, still we are one. And here I have written some dances, important dances, festival. Now just take the example. Now recently I have said, now 2 minutes back I said about Ras Garba Navratri. Okay, so Ras Garba and Navratri is the major dance. Okay, Ras and Garba. Those who are watching the serial Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, you know Daya. Okay, always playing Garba. Na? So Ras Garba, Bhangra is the main dance of Punjab. Bhangra is the main dance of Punjab. Then Kathak is a dance. Those who know the classical dance, okay. Some girls and some are just there. They have joined these classes, na classical dances. So Kathak, that is in Uttar Pradesh. Then Kuchipudi is the famous dance of Andhra Pradesh. Kathakali, it is the famous dance of Kerala. Ghumar dance, that is famous of Rajasthan. Okay, and we know some songs are Ila Arun. Okay, yeah, good. So Ghumar dance of Rajasthan, then Bihu dance of Assam, Odissi means that is classical dance. Okay, of Odisha, and Bharatanatyam of Tamil Nadu. So though we are different, still we are one. So my dear student, you copy down these things in your notebook. Next time we will learn more in your book. These things are given in a table. So you write down these things, which are the major religions, which are the main languages, which are the main festivals, and which are the main dances of India. Next time we will learn more. Thank you.